Hi, I'm Avery, and I worked with Nova Scotia Legal Aid's Criminal Law Office for my placement. I did a lot of my work just out of the Dartmouth Provincial Courthouse, so I would go down to Dartmouth twice a week in the mornings and shadow two lawyers mainly there and help them with their day to day tasks. Nova Scotia Legal Aid offers free legal services to Nova Scotians, and that can be in the form of duty counsel, which is legal advice to any Nova Scotian that needs it, or an actual legal aid lawyer being assigned to you, and that's if you meet certain financial qualifications, and that's like long-term case representation. So a lot of my work was actually with the duty counsel portion of that. I would go into the duty counsel office and I would assist the lawyer that was there with kind of calling clients in, making sure that everyone that was on the docket had met with a lawyer that needed to, and making sure that no one was just like leaving the courthouse without getting their information or knowing when their next court date is, because it's super important that there's a line of communication between the duty counsel lawyer and the client so that everyone knows when they're expected to be at court. This is a great placement if you're interested in the criminal justice system at all. Everyone I worked with was really eager to talk about their experiences and was willing to answer any questions that I had that would come up in my day-to-day at the courthouse. And a lot of different interesting issues arose that I didn't really think about. I learned a lot about just like the actualities of court life. It's kind of slow going for most of the time, and a lot of it is just kind of reassigning to different dates and making sure that everyone is actually available and informed before a court date kind of goes on. This is a great placement as well if you don't really want to do just like one project the whole time. Every day was kind of a new thing with interesting new experiences, and it was just really exciting to get to see the court in action, and I got to witness two trials there, which was also a great experience. So I really enjoyed my time at Nova Scotia Legal Aid, and this is a great placement if you just kind of like learning about the criminal justice system and would love to see that unfold with your own eyes.